Hi there, and welcome back to my channel. This is a channel dedicated to certified Jeep nuts like myself who just empty every pocket to fuel the passion for their Jeeps and to keep it alive. Today's video is just a really quick tip about protecting the investment that is your winch. I didn't go crazy on my winch. I just got the VR series by Warren, so it was around $1,100. But winches can cost $2,500, $3,000 super easy. So it's a good idea if you live in a salty environment like I do, Edmonton, Alberta, Canada, you know, where there's a lot of salt, a lot of snow, a lot of grime, all that crap gets stuck in the rope, stuck in the mechanism, just makes your reliable winch shitty. So make sure to protect your investment with a good cover like this one from Warren.
The installation was pretty basic. It just involved a few tie-down straps that go under the winch and tighten up on the back side. I was pleasantly surprised to see that there was still easy access to the clutch lever as well as the plug for the remote control module. This eliminates the need to remove the cover when you're out wheeling in the winter months. The installed cover not only looks cool, but it will keep my winch clean and free of pesky road debris.
I hope you liked my video. If you did, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe.